All right, this is Michael here with ServiceNow, and I am going to show you a test that I've been working with AI Agent Studio here to allow an upload of a PDF document to create a knowledge. So I'm going to go ahead and kick off the chat test. If you notice, I'm just running the test through AI Agent Studio so you can kind of see all the tools and everything that comes through with this. As you can see, it's starting off with the confirming that yes, I do want to go ahead and continue with creating a PDF. So it's running to find out what steps needed to go next. Eventually, I should get to the point where it wants to confirm that I do want to pick a knowledge base. So in this case, the IT knowledge base. And then also, which kind of knowledge article do I want to create? Now, sometimes this is probabilistic. So sometimes it gives me great options to select. Other times it asks, but doesn't give me those options. And so that's one of the challenges with AI in general. In this case, I'm just choosing the IT knowledge base, the IT fact article, and now it's getting to the point to upload. So I'm going to choose a knowledge article that was given to me in a PDF. And now this is where some of the extra work had to come into place to build the tools because while there is some agents for extracting PDF information, I wanted to be very particular with what I was doing with it. So I created a new tool that had a subflow that's basically calling a defined use case in the Now Assist for Document Intelligence. And then that subflow is the tool that's used to go ahead and extract the text from it. Now, document intelligence is normally used to extract specific keywords to store into specific fields in ServiceNow. In this case, though, I set up the use case to be very generic, just to say extract all text. And then that subflow that I created is just some of the spokes that are part of document intelligence to go ahead and take that assist attachment, send it in, call it, and then it waits for about 30 seconds. So it has to process first. And so that's why there's a little bit of a delay in this moment here as it's going through and extracting it. But in my use case that I set up, I went ahead and configured it for the Google Gemini large language model. So I used the larger model for being able to get the best, amount, the largest kind of models for it. And here it is with the output so that I can say, yes, continue. And now it's going through and calling my tools to go ahead and create the knowledge article itself. So I think that was another tool that I created. So definitely not, probably very specific in terms of the content. But in this case, the output does give me a draft article. And voila. Now, keep in mind it starts as this draft, so it's not designed to, um, you know, be directly published yet. Typically, this would go to somewhere where someone will continue editing it. If you notice, the formatting also didn't come through and come out very nice. It just kept it very generic with the text. And part of that's just coming to understand, hey, how do you want to modify the prompt for AI to get a nice output? So that aspect is just tweaking the AI, but I wanted to be able to highlight that we're putting this together with several tools in terms of saying, great, we're using one tool to get the PDF document, we're using a tool that I built to go ahead and extract that text, and then another tool to go ahead and create the knowledge. So, those combination of tools helps to give some deterministic aspects of the flow, but then the rest of this itself is built from a AI agent that you're describing what you want it to do, and it's doing the steps.